Hey people, we'll have yet even another fan to show off that I just recently got. This is a JCPenney rebadged Lakewood model 9705 Deluxe 20-inch box fan with thermostat. This is pretty much a rebadged Lakewood model P47. This is the second of two box fans I own that has the 4-rivet metal blade set, the other one being my Kmart branded Lakewood model P48. This one, it's not in perfect shape, but it's not really in rough condition either. It was kind of dirty when I got it, but cleaned up nice. It does, however, have some surface rust in the bottom, and just one slat on each grill broken out. So I want to have an overall look at this and we'll fire it up. First level look at the JCPenney logo. To one side. Yeah, just like the other two JCPenney boxes I have, it's a Harvest Gold color. It's got like a blemish here and there about here on this side. Here's the other side. Just got this along the side here and down there. Turn around to the back. There's the motor. Like pretty much all these 4-rivet metal blade Lakewoods, this has like a, say, a 3.0 amp motor. Date cut on the motor is L78, meaning it was produced in probably November of 1978. So it's like a month after my one S223 second gen, which is from October of 78. Here's a view of the top. Here's the handle. Yeah, basically the 4-rivet metal blade Lakewood models from that time, the handle on these is longer than what you'd find on like a P23 or a P223, or something like that. I mean, any of the 3-rivet metal blade Lakewoods are the plastic blade ones. And then their controls, same control sticker and knobs as on my P237. However, both knobs still have the burl inlays intact. On my P237, I think it's the main control knob that has the burl inlay missing. So now we had an overall look at the fan. Now we'll fire it up. Here's high. And it really does throw out the breeze. Here's medium. Low is not really a low, but still pretty low. I mean, it's like not like super low, something like that. And we'll demo the thermostat. Show you that that does indeed work. Has pretty decent coast down time. I'll disengage the thermostat or turn it back on. Crank it back up to high. And as always, OFF spells off. And it does have a bit of a startup sound, but it's not really all that strong. I mean, it's not like really out there, but it's there. So there you have it. It's my 1978 JCPenney made by Lakewood model 9705 20-inch box fan with thermostat. So thank you for watching.